Hi everybody, so I'm sorry I'm not seeing you in class today. I just wanted to review the homework with you and then give you a little setup for the Merchants of Cool activity. Um, so next week we're going to have our first quote unquote graded discussion, and the reason that's in quotes is really because it's a practice. We are going to do one graded discussion the following week, but before that I wanted to show you the structure of how that's going to work and also just give you a chance to practice it. So that's why this one actually isn't graded. And you're going to have a little less preparation for this one than you will have for the next one, where I'll give you questions to consider ahead of time. So don't panic about that graded discussion because it's really just a practice. So the chapters you need to read for Tuesday have to do with, first of all, media representations, and I think I've started to talk about this a little bit. We would have done it in class today, but we'll do more of it then on Tuesday. And then we're moving on to some chapters about teaching film. So this Teasley and Wilder book, the 2 and 3 are together in one file. And you only need to read chapter 2 like it says for today. I'm hoping that you get your voice thread done today so you could just have it out of the way, but if you need a little bit more time and you wanted to work on it more, only if you wanted to, it's going to be due by class time on Tuesday. And then I wanted to mention that the program that you're watching, The Merchants of Cool, you're just watching a few minutes of that. It is quite dated. It was made, I believe, in the late 90s, so a lot of these references are things that you probably vaguely remember from your childhood. But I think what's really key to think about with it is the ideas of how teens are marketed to in this incredible industry that's arisen as a result of them being considered a important share of the market. So that's why I think it's still valid to watch that program, even though it is so dated, and it was referred to quite a bit in your beach reading. Last thing I wanted to mention is I know that there's still a problem with the beach book, and a couple of students told me that the bookstores just said, sorry, we're not getting it for you. So I did have Allie scan the chapters that you need to read upcoming. So I'm putting those on files. There's a folder in files that says Beach TML, and you can find all of the chapters that you need to read there. I looked at them just now and realized that she cut off a little bit of the bottom of the page on a few pages, but I think you still can get the gist of it. When I get back to campus, I'll try to rescan those, but I think it should work for now. So thanks again for your patience, and I hope you all have a great weekend.